How to reactivate your Roblox account. So if you want to reactivate your Roblox account, then first of all, you have to install the Roblox application. To install, you have to open up your Play Store application. And after opening, on the search bar, you have to search for Roblox. And after searching, here you will have the application. So you can simply tap on install and you can install the application. And now after installing, the only way you can reactivate your account is to log into your account. So to log in, first you have to open up your Roblox application. And after opening, here you will have a login option. You can simply tap on login. And then you have to enter your username or your email address or your phone number. And now on the next blank, you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password or if you forgot your username, then you will have forgot password or username option. You can simply tap on that and then you can reset or recover it. Now after entering your email and your password, you have to simply tap on login. But you can also log in with another device. You can simply tap on that and then you can scan the QR code with your camera and then you can log into your account. Now simply tap on login. After logging in, your account will be reactivated automatically. So that's it. That's how you reactivate your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.